Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you find yourself installing web apps, PWAs, in your Microsoft Edge web browser for desktop, then just to let you know about a small but yet I think a significant change that Microsoft is going to be rolling out in up and coming stable releases of the browser. Now, what they have done is they have updated the progressive web app install menu and dialog, basically to make it clearer and easier to understand, and to show you and indicate what happens when you install a web app in the Edge browser. So just to demonstrate all of this, if you would be interested, currently in the stable version, if I want to install a web app, I'm just going to use Twitter as an example, X as it's also known now. And if we just head over to X, here you'll see the dialog at the top. This is what it looks like in the stable. Install X app, and it says this site can be installed as an application. It will open in its own window and safely integrate with Windows features. So this is what Microsoft now is going to be improving upon. And they're currently testing this in Edge Canary 122 and the Dev Channel 122. And Edge Canary is your latest preview version, which I have open now on my desktop. So just to demonstrate, if we head back and I head over to Twitter, and I want to install that as a progressive web app, you will see now that menu and the dialog has actually changed. So there we go. It says install X app. Use this site often. Install the app which opens in a focused window, has quick access options like pin to taskbar, and syncs across multiple devices. So basically, that's the improvement that they have made, which is a little bit more informative, just breaking it down into 3 bullet points. And this, as mentioned, has been tested in Edge Dev and Edge Canary 122. And I think this is a small but yet a significant change. And there's a good chance, obviously, now this is going to roll out to the stable version. And it just makes it a lot clearer and informative when you are installing a PWA on your system using the Microsoft Edge web browser, and what is actually going to happen when you go through and complete that process. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.